Hello everyone, today I'll share you one day in my life. So my day starts with choosing a cloth from the closet, bringing the coffee, and of course the winter jacket. So this is my college, let's just get inside. Ooh, it was cold outside. While walking to the class, I found out that the college had some event. I'm so excited. Today I have a class of video editing. Here is my name tag, and my professor started explaining how to follow the script. This video is done by me. After looking each video, we got a new script. I'm excited. Without wasting any more time, we ran to the library to shoot the video. To be honest, it is not easy to make videos with your friends. We took a lot of retake, and finally we are done and we are so happy. After that, we are waiting for the event to start. This is the event of Afghani food. They are giving free samples to the students. So after eating that food, I'm saying goodbye to my friends to going to the gym. I really like the St. Lawrence gym. It is really huge. After doing some exercise, I came back my home. I made something, I ate and slept.